In today's video, I'm going to teach you Etsy integration Shopify apps. By the end, you'll have your Shopify store connected to Etsy using the Etsy integration by CED, so you can streamline listings and orders between both platforms. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, choose Apps. In the Apps area, use the search to find Etsy integration CED. When you see the app in the results, open its listing. On the Shopify App Store page, click Install. Shopify will show you a permission screen explaining what the app can access. Review those details, then confirm by clicking Install again. This grants the app the access it needs to sync products, inventory, and orders between your store and Etsy. After installation, you'll land on the app's onboarding dashboard. Look for the option to connect Etsy and click it. Before you proceed too far, it's a good idea to open the pricing plans section and review what's included at each level, including any free trial. Pick the plan that fits your catalog size and order volume. Then head into Settings to quickly review default options so you know where to return later for things like product mappings, inventory rules, and order settings. When you're ready, choose Connect Etsy account to start the secure authorization. You'll be redirected to Etsy's sign-in page. Enter the email associated with your Etsy shop and your password. For security, make sure you're signing in with the shop owner's account and that you recognize the authorization screen. If you can't remember your password, click Forgot your password? To reset it, then come back to sign in. Once your credentials are in, click Sign in to continue. You may see the prompt more than once as Etsy confirms access and permissions. Simply click Sign in to continue whenever asked until the process completes. When authorization finishes, you'll be sent back to the app and your Etsy account will be connected. From here, you can manage your sync settings, and the app will handle the heavy lifting of keeping listings, inventory, and orders aligned. If you operate multiple Etsy shops, double-check that the correct shop is linked. You can disconnect and reconnect from the app's settings if needed. A quick tip: start by syncing a small set of products to verify titles, categories, shipping profiles, and images appear as expected on Etsy. Also, give the app a few minutes after connecting. Initial authorization and data pull can take a moment. That's it. You've installed the Etsy integration CED app, reviewed plans and settings, securely connected